Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nerissa and today we are going to talk about eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few of my quick tips that I use to fill in my eyebrows. And honestly, I only use two things to fill in my eyebrows. When I do my makeup, I want my eyebrows to look very natural. So as you can see, if you actually look at my eyebrows right now, I have a very natural looking brow. It's not thick. I don't get my eyebrows waxed. I don't really tweeze them or necessarily have to shape them. But when I do put on my makeup, I do want them to look nice. So like right now I have on foundation, but it's almost making my eyebrows disappear. So to ensure that you can see my brows, I fill in my eyebrows. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm actually using my favorite eyebrow color, and it's the Milani Stay Put brow color in the color brunette. Now, when you are looking for a color to fill in your eyebrows, if you're going to use a black color, please know that your eyebrows will look extremely dramatic. Extremely dramatic. Now, to make them look more natural, you will want to use maybe a brown or brunette. You want to use a lighter color so your eyebrows do look natural. Now, if you have jet black hair, even if, let's say, even if I had a client who had jet black hair, I'm not going to use a jet black brow or a jet black color on their eyebrows. I would still use a brown because you can build up the color. So what I do first is I put a little of the brow color on the end of, let's see, can you see it? On the end of my utensil. And the first thing that I do is I just make a straight line. Simple enough, right? So I make my first straight line at the bottom, and then I go back at the top and I make another straight line. So right now we have two straight lines, and I followed, if you can see, I just followed what my actual natural brow looks like. Now I'm going to make another line. So I'm going to go at the tail end of my brow, and I'm just going to pull my line down. Okay? Now, I'm not finished yet. So what I will do is, I'm not going to dip it back in. I've only dipped it 3 times. I'm going to use some of the excess that's left to fill in what I have. Now, I try to use a rather light hand. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to use this end to help me pull it out. So I'm going to pull at the top. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using this end to make this come out more, so it looks a little bit more natural. Basically how hair would naturally grow. Okay, now as you can see, I have one eyebrow done and one undone. And how simple was that? So bam, bam, boom. It's really easy to fill in your eyebrows. It's something that can completely change your makeup look. So if you look, you can see right now the difference that filling in one brow has made. So I already have on my foundation. I filled in my brows. If I wanted to just put on my foundation, fill in my brows, put on some mascara and a little bit of lipstick, I could be done. This could be a complete natural looking makeup look. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's tutorial. If you have any questions whatsoever about any of The products that I use, as I said before, I will actually link these products down below in case you're interested in trying them yourself. I use the Milani. That's my favorite eyebrow color. But if you have another product that you haven't tried yet and you're kind of scared to purchase it, but you want me to try it out for you, I absolutely will. Please comment that down below in the comment section. I'm actually about to go off camera, finish the rest of this eyebrow, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup look for today. I hope that you've enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook at Narissa Explains It All, and Instagram also at Narissa Explains It All. I can't wait to see you again very soon. Bye!